If I told you that you could lower your cholesterol naturally without expensive supplements or strict diets just by adding a few powerful herbs already in your kitchen, would you believe me? Well, today, I'm revealing 5 ancient herbs backed by science that can clean your arteries, balance your cholesterol, and protect your heart. And the best part? You can start using them today. Hi, welcome to Active Life Insights channel, and on this channel, we share simple, natural, and science-backed ways to take charge of your health. If you're ready to keep your heart young and your cholesterol in check, stay with me till the end because I'll also share a secret combination of these herbs that works even faster. Herb number 1: fenugreek seeds. Let's start with fenugreek, one of the most underrated cholesterol fighters. It's rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel in your stomach and traps cholesterol before it enters your bloodstream. Studies show it can lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while keeping your good cholesterol high. How to use: soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight, and eat them on an empty stomach in the morning. You can also add fenugreek powder to curries, chapati dough, or smoothies. Did you know? Fenugreek was used by ancient Egyptians over 3,000 years ago for heart and digestion health, and it's still just as powerful today. Herb number 2: garlic. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's like a cleaning brush for your arteries. It contains allicin, a compound that reduces cholesterol production in the liver and prevents plaque buildup in blood vessels. How to use: crush 1 to 2 raw cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes before eating. This activates allicin. You can swallow them with water, mix into warm lemon water, or add to salads. The next herb not only lowers cholesterol but also fights inflammation, slows aging, and boosts brain health. Any guesses? Keep watching to see if you're right. Herb number 3: turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that prevents cholesterol from oxidizing, a key step in artery blockage. Plus, it boosts bile production in the liver, helping break down fats. How to use: add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric with a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption, into warm milk, tea, or curries. Drink turmeric water in the morning for an extra detox boost. In India, turmeric has been a household medicine for over 4,000 years, and modern science is finally catching up. Herb number 4: holy basil. Tulsi isn't just for stress relief, it lowers blood lipids and protects against oxidative damage. Its phytonutrients prevent cholesterol deposits and keep blood vessels flexible. How to use: chew 4 to 5 fresh tulsi leaves in the morning, or make tulsi tea by boiling the leaves in water for 5 minutes. Drink daily for the best results. The last herb is so powerful that even small amounts can change your cholesterol profile in weeks. And it's probably sitting in your spice rack right now. Herb number 5: cinnamon. Cinnamon improves circulation, reduces LDL, and balances blood sugar, all of which indirectly protect your heart. The special compounds in cinnamon also prevent fatty acids from building up in arteries. How to use: add 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder to your morning tea, coffee, or oatmeal. You can also boil a cinnamon stick in water for 5 minutes and sip it as tea. Bonus tip: the golden heart mix. Here's my personal favorite: combine 1/2 teaspoon fenugreek powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and a pinch of cinnamon in warm water. Drink this daily, and you'll be giving your heart a natural cleanse. There you have it, 5 simple herbs that can naturally lower cholesterol and protect your heart. Start adding them to your daily routine, and your arteries will thank you. Which herb are you trying first: garlic, turmeric, or fenugreek? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself, share this video with your friends and family. And if you want more natural health tips like this, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. Your journey to better health starts here.